Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to issue gift card in Shopify. So simply what you need to do, just click on products and gift cards. Now click here and wait for a few seconds. Now here you can issue gift card. Just you can edit all these sections. So you can also set the price here. Like in my case I am typing 50. You can also select in your country price. Now when you easily done this, just you have to click on the screen button, and now here you can see our gift card is ready. So you can also delete this card. This option is also available. So this is very easy method how to issue a gift card in Shopify.